In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Titan Quest 2 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and after that we are going to search up this game quickly at Steam before we will continue to another website to download it. So go to the Steam website, then go to Steam and search for the game Titan Quest 2. Select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and don't waste too much time over here because we are going to download it at another website. Now as you can see, the price on Steam is €29.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games completely legit. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Titan Quest 2. Search for the game, after that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now you will find a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. Once you have found one, then select it and open the game page. As you can see, we can already download this game for €18.73 compared to the Steam price of €29.99. So once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.